Here's a 2016 Ram 1500. The ability to use tools separate humans from other animals. This Ram 1500 is a powerful one and will separate you from other humans. It's well equipped with the features you need: automatic transmission, heavy-duty shocks, driver selectable mode, active grille shutters, streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, trailer hitch receiver, rear-wheel drive, and V6 engine. Reputations aren't given, they're earned. At the end of our testing, the decision was unanimous. Hands down, the Ram ran away with this Truck of the Year award. Engineered to get things done. Engineered to be a Ram. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Find it at Firkins. Come see us today. We're located between the Red Barn Flea Market and the DeSoto Mall on 1st Street.